Hi everyone, welcome. Today it's stationery time. Today we have another set of notebooks that I really wanted to share with everyone. And here we have a happy dog. I did made a shorts video on this happy dog notebook, and I'm just really fascinated how the look of the sides is. I like that it has images on the sides. And here's the leisure time. I have two of them, and the other one I did already open, but I did not really use yet. It's just open. I wanted to see what kind of inside the page is, and the closure is a magnetic closure as well. And as you can see, it's a different kind of papers inside. It is smooth and it's not too thick, not too thin paper. And here's another one. It's a strawberry cake, and it's like a weekly notebook, but it's not. It's not. It's a regular grid notebook inside, and there's actually more. And here's the ice cream version. Like, I know for sure, if I remember correctly, there are four kinds of these notebooks design wise. I just have these two. I didn't get the other two because this is the two that I like the most when I bought them. And here's the back side, like pretty plain, but it is a connecting image on the front. And here is another sealed notebook that I haven't really used. It's like a magical girl theme, and it reminds me of the Sakura cards. And here's how thick it is. It's pretty thin. Look at how thin it is and how thick the other papers are. And it is pretty white paper, not a cream paper. But nonetheless, I'm not really picky with my paper. I'm rather more picky on the pen itself than the paper. Since a bad quality paper, I could use just a regular ball pen and go with it. With pens, like there's a lot more to pens than the paper itself, but a lot to talk about. There's That's really a lot. And here's the third one. And here we have a pretty magical girl in purple. Like, I did have like the backside. It's really pretty. There's also four of this, but naturally I only have three sealed currently. And here we have the Aguo. It is a brand Aguo. This one is the idol version. And this one is sealed, but I do have the open one that I'm gonna show you. And here's the sticker. There is two stickers inside this notebook, and also the stickers is a washi tape paper, not in your regular sticker, glossy sticker or matte sticker. And here's the purple version that I have already opened, since I really love this notebook. And the back itself has hearts, although I cannot show you the blue heart for the blue one since it's still sealed and I'm not gonna be opening it anytime soon. But here's the close up of the stickers. They're all the same for all three notebooks, I would believe, since the two notebooks that I have the same stickers on them. And here I do have another sticker that I used to pre-decorate this notebook, and I thought that I was gonna be using it, but I did not use it yet. And here is a lovely image inside the first page, and you could put your personal details in. And here I did put some stickers inside since I thought I would be already using this paper. And I don't think I have a pen test yet for this. I usually do my pen test at the very back, but the grid are also light. It's not very dark. So if you prefer like the lighter grids, this may be for you. And here, as you can see, I did add my personal touch when I open a new notebook. Like, I tend to pre-decorate them. That's why if I don't use them, it's okay. I'll use them up eventually. It's just that I have other notebooks that I'm currently using. And here is the peach one. Like, I also really like this version. And as you can see, the box are just plain hearts. And it's just the color difference. And also, here is the sticker that I have used to pre-decorate, and I just cut it's this one is a roll sticker paper, and I also did add some other stickers on this notebook already. As you can see, I like pre-decorating so much, like you would see on my other notebooks as well that I have opened. And here's the image on the first page. They have different images depending on what notebook you got. And here's the side by side comparison. And also, there's another one that I wasn't able to get on this series. There are four different designs or images, artwork they used for this series, but I only got three of them. And here's another Sanrio one, and this one is a Kinbor notebook. And let me show you again my most used Kinbor weekly planner, and this one is a Kuromi one. Both of them are undated, so I could use them any year, all year round. That's what's good on them. That's what I like about them. And here I'll be opening this cinema roll so that I could share with you what's different inside, or I think it would be the same with the Horomi, but just to show and for your reference, this is how the cinema roll looks, and it does have a pop up as well, like the Kuromi one, and you have to pull this paper down so you could see the cinema roll. And I'll put it back up again. And let's see the next page. I think that's the only difference, but there's no other Sanrio thing you would see inside after that page. It would be your plain grid paper and your monthly, and there would be like a notes page, free space after the weekly page. And after the free pages, like there would be like a really great side pocket. What I really like about this, it already includes a side pocket. Then here's something like I do not really use, and information, and you could put 100 things, 100 list or something. And you could actually buy a separate plastic cover for this one. For me, I didn't. But here is the Pochaco one, another Sanrio, but this time it is by Joy Top. It's or it's also authentic notebook by Sanrio. And this Pochaco one is really nice. It already have a plastic cover, which I really do like. And I know it's Sanrio, but it has a Looney Tunes inside. It has Tweety Bird inside. Since I do have some sticker lying around that I thought it would look nice on this notebook. And don't worry, I do have the Kuromi version as well. Like, there are other Sanrio characters by Joy Top notebooks. They also have other kind of notebooks design wise for Sanrio. And the paper itself is pretty thick. As you can see, I did put a pen test already, and I put my touch of Tasmanian on this notebook. And here's the pen test. Like, pretty much everything is good, but not thicker than a marker. The brush pen, not thicker than that. I think it would go through this paper, but everything's good. I like the paper of Joy Top. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.